Hello and welcome to my channel. What is happening? My name is Lenny and today I'm going to show you how I transform my stairs from looking like this to this. But before I show you how I did it, first let me tell you why I did it. Right now we're getting only 6.5 hours of daylight every day. Sunrise starts at 9:49 a.m. and sunset is at 4:31 p.m. It is not a complete darkness, and these only happen from September to March. And the thing is that I have two small children who are afraid of the dark and who depends from me or their mom from turning on and off the light every time they want to go up or come downstairs. And believe me when I tell you that the on and off of the main light becomes more frequent as they get older. So as a parent, I want my two kids to not be afraid of the dark. So I kind of found a temporary solution. I have been using an LED light with motion sensor powered by three AAA batteries that I bought for $5. And it was working as a champ. But again, it was a temporary solution. So I needed to come with a better idea on how to solve that problem. So I decided to install better LED lights that can be activated automatically without the necessity of using batteries, because you know, batteries, ka-ching, ka-ching, ha. And if I want my two kids to go up and down stairs all by themselves, I needed to come with something that my kids see it as fun and at the same time be efficient, meaning that the LED lights cannot only be used as night light or during the darkest hours, but LED lights that can be used during the holidays. So I went online and I searched for LED stairs lights. And I did find many options, but sadly not what I needed. I kept searching and I found other options, but once again, and for my surprise, I did not find what I needed to make this project happen. I was getting a little disappointed, but I did not give up. I searched for different alternatives and created ideas, and I found many creative and fantastic ideas. But sadly, many of the ideas that I found required me to either remove part of the carpet or to make holes on the walls. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to make this project too complicated and unnecessarily too expensive. Plus, I want all the lights to turn on all at once, not step by step. I want to see what it is all the way in front of me, not just only where I'm stepping on, like if I were in a freaking horror movie. Remember that I'm not doing this for myself, but instead I'm doing it for my kids who are afraid of the dark. I want my kids and myself included be able to see far beyond our steps. But hey, if many of you like the horror vibe and that's your thing, then good for you, good for you. But it's not my thing, and I don't think that it is my kids either. My intention is to make something functional, not to recreate the song Smooth Criminal every time me or my family go or we are coming downstairs. I already know that I'm not that smooth. So I said to myself, what do I need to make this project happen? And I answered my own question with I need at least a minimum of 50 feet of LED strip lights, because my stairs length with both sides combined is 36 feet long. And I found many options of LED lights, but I ended up buying a brand that I have used many times in the past. So I bought two sets of 32 feet long of LED strip lights for a total of 64 feet long of LED strip lights. The real challenge was not to build it, neither to put it together. That was the easiest part of the entire project. Barely an inconvenience.
Actually, it was super easy. Barely an inconvenience.
The real challenge was to find a sensor that met my criteria. This one was the real challenge, almost to a point that I thought that my only option was to buy another LED strip light that comes with two sensors. So that means that I was about to do what I didn't want to do in the first place, make too many cuts and have cables all over the place, until by a divine intervention, I came across with the perfect device, a wireless motion sensor that met my entire criteria and more. So I was super happy. I also bought cable made specifically for LED lights that comes with a 12 pieces 4-pin RGB connectors so that I can connect both sides of the stairs with the LED lights. I also put wire track to hide the cables so they are not visible. So now that I have everything that I needed to make this project happen, the next step was for me to wait for everything to arrive so I can start the process, which is the perfect time for you to subscribe to the channel and to hit the like button. Meanwhile, we both wait. Now that you have subscribed to my channel and that finally everything that I needed has arrived, it was time for me to begin. So here I leave you with the installation process. Enjoy. And there you have it. My kids love it, and since I installed the LED lights to the stairs, my kids have been going up and down the stairs all by themselves. Also, my wife told me that she likes it, so I call that a win. But anyways, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. See ya.